Hi, I'm Paul Frasca, co-founder of Sustainable Salons, and welcome to the Sydney Depot. Sustainable Salons is a comprehensive resource recovery service. We're designed specifically for the salon environment. We reward salons for being part of the program, and everything that we collect from salons gets redirected back into local communities, charitable programs. So we recycle everything from human hair, ponytails, chemicals, shampoo bottles, even the aluminium foil that goes on to colour women's hair. We take all types of the materials that come through a hair salon and beauty salon. One of the products that came out of this was a hair boom. We actually now sell these hair booms that actually end up getting used to clean up oil spills across Australia and also within your councils. We've even found a way to turn hair into a fertiliser. Sustainability wasn't a big part of my life many years ago. Hairdressing was everything, fashion. It's when I met my partner, Evelina, who was actually studying fashion sustainability, that really opened my eyes to where do things actually go and what do they do? And we went for this long drive around Australia. We spent around $7,000 in petrol. We went to 160 hair salons. We studied their waste. And after all of that, we started writing the business plan for Sustainable Salons. And the rest is history. Now we have over 1,500 hair salons signed up to Sustainable Salons across Australia and New Zealand. Our relationship with IKEA started actually in the beginning where we were out looking for the best bins that could suit our recycling program. At Sustainable Salons, it's really important to separate. So we need a lot of bins to go inside a salon. And when we were looking, we didn't have to go too far. IKEA not only delivered us the right bins, they delivered the right supply chain we needed for, of course, a lot of bins to be delivered to us on time every week. And IKEA just kept delivering in that space. IKEA reached out to us to tell us about the new IKEA Business Network. What's amazing about this network is it not only really helped us scale our business, they offered us a great customer service, which is really crucial to a business, knowing that we can call upon someone specific to our needs at the time to solve our problems. When it comes to people, we're really proud about the people we employ across Australia and New Zealand. Over 50% of our staff have a disability, and it's super excited to give them a job with security and a place to work every day. We're also really proud about how we've delivered so many meals to Oz Harvest and Kiwi Harvest through our recycling program. So we provided 210,000 meals through that program. We've also collected 180,000 ponytails for medical wigs. What's next for Sustainable Salons? Well, we've got really big places we want to go. So far that we want to make sure that our recycling program can touch everyone across Australia and New Zealand. We want to make sure we can connect those dots. And now we're going to be building the best booking platform for those consumers to book their next hair service or beauty service in a sustainable salon.
Everyone has a plan B, but remember, there is no planet B.